Have you been struggling to use Google Calendar to its fullest? Well, today we will see how we can actually utilize it to our best of the advantage. So let's get started with it. So for that, first of all, open up your browser and search for Google Calendar, and then just click on this very first link that you will see in the search results. Just open it up, and this is where it will lead you. If you are not logged in with your Google's account, then you won't be able to see it. First of all, you will have to log into your Google's account. After that, you will see this. So when you click on this option of month or the list of view, you can change the view of your calendar. Like we can change it to weekly basis, we can change it to daily basis. So this is how it will appear when we do it on monthly basis. And if we want to search anything on our calendar, we can just simply click over here and search for it. These are the settings. First of all, click on this option of view menu, and this option or the list will appear. Now here you can search for people in your calendar on different events, and if you want to add an event or anything, just click over here on create, and then you will be able to create a new event or task over here. But if you want to create a new calendar altogether, then simply click on this option of plus, and here you will find this option of create a new calendar, and a new calendar will be added. Let's click on it, and here you can name it as per your requirements, and you can also add description to it. Like if you are looking to create a calendar for your business, then you can name the business over here and also add the description to it. After that, we can create let me name it YouTube, and let me leave the description for now. Then click on create calendar, and it will be created. After it is created, just click on this option of calendar over here and scroll down a little bit, and here you will be able to see that you can add more people to it, like the people who are associated with your business. So just click on this option of add people and groups, and you would be able to add people. So everyone on the calendar will be able to see all the events that you create as the owner of this particular calendar. Now let's get back. And in this particular calendar, we can click on create, then click on event. If you want to create an event, let's click on task and create a task. Like we want to create a video, so let's type create a video and add a description to it. Select the date for it, like we want it to be created on 4th of May, and also the time. You can select it and click on save. So this will be added to your calendar. So this is how it will be quite easy for you to create tasks, and you can also create an event. Like you want to meet the people who are on your business, so just set up a meeting with them and select the time of the meeting. Then you can also add the people for that particular meeting, and when you add them, you will be adding them using their email address. So this way they will be sent an email as a reminder that you have added them in the meeting, and they would be able to join your meeting. You can add the location of it, you can add the description of it, and after that you will be able to save it. And this will be saved for the date that you choose while setting that up. So this is how you will be able to use calendar to your advantage, and it would be quite easy for you. And in case if you want to add reminders, then simply click on this option of reminder and set the date, time, and after that you will be able to see that if you want to be notified about that particular reminder, you can select all day, and if you want to be reminded on a daily basis, then just select daily. So this is how you will be able to choose, and you would be reminded about that particular event or task. So this is how you use Google Calendars for your needs and purposes. And this was an easy and short tutorial on Google Calendar. If you want more advanced one, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.